on up.
Everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're going to do a cook, and we're actually going to do it out here in the shack, in the old Rshack testing facility. Not using a Weber either. Not going to use the pellet grills either. Going to use the Blackstone, the little 22-inch adventure ready Blackstone. Let me get you set up and show you what we're going to do. All right, let's get her fired up. Get the lid open. Pro tip for you: when you're using a gas grill like this or a flat top, come out, get it started, get it warm before you start recording. That way you don't have that initial ignition and have it kind of do that big old poof. Have it already lit, you know, and shut it back off and then do it. Pro tip. Both burners on. We're going to run the left one at medium high, somewhere right about there, and the right one we're going to run on low, like that. What we're going to do is we're going to put down some vegetable oil. Some vegetable oil here. Let's pour some on here. Get this thing starting to heat up. All right. Go ahead and spread that around a little bit. So tonight, I saw this on Daddy Dutch Barbecue, Kent. I'll have a link to his channel. He did frozen fries on his Blackstone, and we're going to do it too. We got here some steak cut style fries. What he said to do was get them to where they're all laying nice flat, like so. Now we know that these fries are going to take a little while. We'll close the lid, and we'll come back and start the rest of the cook. But I am going to dribble a little more oil on them, like so, and then I'm going to season them. Let's get a little bit of oil in there. There we go. And I just have a regular old burger seasoning that I'm going to be putting on them. So we'll get some seasoning on these fries. Oops. Like so. Get that one to lay down. Alright, so we're just going to let this thing come up to temp, and we're going to let these kind of cook here. Okay, let's get these fries. Look at that. Flipped over here. Looks like we're running a little hot, so we'll go ahead and get it turned down a bit. But coming along nicely. We're going to just move these over here. Let them finish up over here. But, yeah. A few of them are a little dark, but that will be okay. Okay. More oil over here. Let's give this side of the fries a little bit of salt. They're almost done. Now, for these burgers, this meat is from Pacific Northwest Beef, and they have it's a small co-op kind of ranch. And man, it's perfect beef. Look at that. Beautiful looking beef. These are going to be great burgers. What's that one right there? Okay. All we're going to do is just season them up with salt. And some black pepper. Salt and black pepper. That's all we're seasoning these up with. Put some pepper on those fries. Everything is like on low right now. Yeah. Oh, they're looking good, aren't they? Close up the lid for a bit. What we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a little bit of room here, like so. Now, add some yellow cheddar and some white cheddar. We're just going to give them a quick little melt on here. They smell so good, I gotta tell you that. Like so. Alright. Now, this is just water. Put it in here. And we're going to steam that cheese for a minute. I'm going to turn off the burners now. Check, see how it's looking. Oh yeah, look at that. Is that perfection or what? Let's get these off. Here's our buns. Let's get our buns out here. Got some Duke's mayonnaise, one of my favorite mayos. Now we can't really find that here locally, so we have to order Duke's online through Walmart.com. Usually is where we get our Duke's. Like so. Get some of that. I said I like Duke's. So. Yeah. Get that out of the way. We'll get some ketchup on here. Alright. Get the Dukes out of the way. Alright. We have our accoutrements, or our stuff we're going to put on this. Let's get our burger meat on here. Look at those. All those for patties. Oh yeah. Little tomato on there. Some red onion. A little lettuce. And of course, pickles. What's a burger without pickles? That on the top. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's great, doesn't it? Tomato. lettuce, red onion. Then you gotta have your pickles jumping all over the place. Something like that. Delicious looking. Now let's get our homemade fries over on this side. Something like that. Let's try one of these Pacific Northwest beef burgers done up on a Blackstone flat top. Right there. Look at that thing. Oh my. Makes your mouth water, doesn't it? Oh, I gotta go in for another one now. It's so good. Oh yeah. Try one of these fries. Oh, perfect. Yeah, those are good too. Cheers. Okay. Okay, so you saw how I did that. I started those fries straight out of the bag on the one side. I would say probably go medium heat. Make sure the grill, the flat top is nice and oily, and then get those on there. Season them with your favorite seasoning, and I would say 5 minutes. Mine were done in about 5 minutes, and then I flipped them, and you saw what they came out like. Some of it got a little crispy, but that's all right. So good. And then I flipped them and rotated them. Then I put my burger patties on. I formed them in the house, and then I just brought them out, seasoned them with salt and pepper on one side, let them go for a little while until I felt like they were done. Flipped them over, seasoned that side with the salt and pepper. I took my cheese that I wanted to use, both of cheddar, white cheese, white cheddar cheese, and then also yellow cheddar cheese, both of them medium, and I put those on there, put a little bit of water, and then put my steaming lid on there and let them steam for a little bit, maybe 45 seconds, and the cheese was melted. Then I brought them out, had all my burger fixings ready to go, put that Duke's mayo and that ketchup on there, and telling you, these are delicious. Been craving a good, burger. The buns are an artisan bun that we picked up. Really soft. So delicious. Oh. Anyhow, this is a great meal. Not too much time was taken up there on the Blackstone. Now I got to clean it. Basically, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take water and pour it on it, and then scrape it, and then I'll wipe it with towels, and that's all it takes once it's done. Once you can start touching it with towels in your hand, it's pretty well easy to do. Yeah, so thank you for watching. You can do this too. It's not that difficult. Until next time, my friends, grill on. Oh, these are so good.